In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to verify email address while registration in Laravel. So I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So this is just a freshly created Laravel project. So in order to verify our email address, first of all, we need to create authentication in our Laravel project. So we are going to use JSTM authentication. So first of all, let's go to our project directory. So this is our project Laravel mail verify. So let's just go inside and let's just open a command prompt here. Let me just zoom in. So here we're going to first install JSTM. So here, first of all, let me just copy the command from here. Composer require Laravel/JSTM. So we'll copy this and we'll go to our command prompt, paste the command here, composer require Laravel/JSTM. We'll press enter. So it will install JSTM in our Laravel project. So right now I'll just fast forward the video. After JSTM installation, we are going to run this command, which is this one, php JSTM install library. So let me just copy this. Let's go to our command prompt here, paste the command php JSTM install library and press enter. So this will install library in our project. So I'll just again fast forward the video. JSTM installation is also done. So right now we're going to say this command npm install and press enter. After npm install, we'll say npm run build. Again press enter. Now we have to give our last command, which is php artisan migrate. So it is saying that database Laravel mail verify does not exist because I do not create the database. So would you like to create it? So we'll say here yes, press enter, and here you can see database is created and all the table is inserted in that database. So right now, if we go to our browser, then refresh, here you can see we have login and register option here. So in order to verify mail address, we need to make some changes in our code. So I already opened the project using Sublime Text. So first of all, we need to go to our app, then models. Inside model, we have user.php. So let's go inside and here you can see use illuminate contacts auth must verify email. It is comment out. So we'll just remove the double slash from here. And after this, here you can see user extend authenticable. So after authenticable, we'll say implements. Then here you can see must verify email. So we'll copy this and paste this here. So after authenticable, we need to say implements must verify email. Then just save this and you can close this. So after model user.php, we need to go to our config, and inside config you need to go to fortify.php. So in the fortify.php, we'll just directly go down and here you will see features email verification. It is by default off. So we need to remove this double slash from here. Then save this and we are done for this fortify.php. We can close this. So after this, we need to modify our .env file. So we'll just go inside .env. And in the .env, we need to mention our, here you can see mail mailer. We need to make some modification here. So mail mailer will be smtp and mail host, it will be smtp.gmail.com. Then mail port, this one will be 465. And username, so here you need to give a email address from which email address you want to use to verify a user email address. So here I will say this yahiayamin@gmail.com. So let me just copy this yahiayamin@gmail.com, and here you can see mail from address. So it will be the same one. Let's just paste this here, and here you can see mail encryption. So we'll say here SSL and mail from name. So you can give a name, anything. We'll just keep it the way it is, and here you can see password. So we need to give a password, but not your mail password. I'll just show you. So here, first of all, we need to go to our email, yahiayamin@gmail.com. So let's go to our browser. Let's go to our Gmail. And I'll go to yahiayamin, this one. So currently here you can see my email address is yahiayamin@gmail.com. So from here, we need to go to this option, manage your Google account. Just click here. Then we need to go to the security option. On the left side, you will see security. And once going to the security, if we just go down, here you will see two-step verification option. So below two-step verification option, you will see app password. But for my case, it is not showing the app password. So what we'll do is that we'll just go inside this. So we'll just click on two-step verification, and then it will ask for your mail password. So just give your mail password, click next, and there you go. It will take you to this page. And here you can see my two-step verification is on. So we'll just directly go down, and here you can see app password or application password. So we'll go inside here. We'll click on this arrow sign. So you will see something like this. Let me just delete those. I just created those. Let me just delete them. So you will just see something like this. So here, if you click, select the app, you will see something like this. And here you will see something like this. So here we are going to choose the other custom name. So in the custom name, we are going to say here website, and then click create. So once you click create, it will give you an app password. So you need to copy this. So I'll just copy this like this. So Ctrl C, and after copying it, just click here complete. So we just copied that password. So we need to paste that password in our code.env in this mail password field. So we'll paste this here, and you can see there is some spaces. So we need to remove the space, otherwise you will get an error. So we'll remove the spaces from here. Let me just select everything one by one. And there you go. So right now just save this, and after giving the main information, just run this command, which is php artisan config clone cache. Press enter, and configuration cache successful. So right now let's go back to our browser project. Let's refresh here, then let's click register. So right now we are in the registration page. Here let's say name, then let's give an email. Let's say yaminshakil7@gmail.com. Let's give a password 12345678 and confirm password. After that, we'll just click register. Since we did the email modification part in our code, so you will see something like this. Please verify your email, something like that. So if you now go to our mail, which is yaminshakil7@gmail.com, here you can see verify your email address. And if you do not see the mail here, make sure to also check your spam folder. Okay, so if you click on it, there you can see the message seems dangerous. Just if you see this, just click look safe, and then just click a few times if you are not able to click on the button. And here you can see verify email address. So if you now click on verify email address, here you can see it's loading, and it took us to the dashboard after verifying our email address. So this is how you can make email verification when registering in Laravel. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. And if you want to know how to apply forget password in Laravel, then you can check out the video on the screen. You are probably seeing right now. Forget password is this one. So if you want, you can check the video, forget or reset password in Laravel. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, you can always let me know in the comment section. I will really appreciate if you subscribe. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you in the future tutorials.